Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 9T, and today I will show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. And to get started, you will want to open up the standalone Contacts application, which is located in the Google folder. From here, tap on the three bars, go to Settings, and at the bottom you'll have Import option. Once you select it, it will ask you where you want to import contacts from, so I'll be selecting SIM card. And that will select automatically all the contacts that are on that SIM card. If you have some kind of contacts that are deselected and they're grayed out so you can't select them, you can select them, that means that those contacts already exist on your device, and don't worry, the phone is just simply stopping you from creating duplicate not files but contacts. So anyway, going back to these contacts that you can see right here, you can also deselect ones that you just don't want, and then once you satisfy the top on import, it will give you the amount of contacts that I have imported, and you should see them right here. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.